how's it going everybody? Crispy here, and today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to make your own 3D logo in Blender. Today we will be taking a 2D logo image, making sure it's a PNG file, and we are going to be adding a mesh to that, and then we're going to be adding a solidifier, and we're going to be making it 3D. So, getting started, what you want to do is you want to open your very own Blender project, make sure it's completely empty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this and just hit delete. Then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to select top view. I'm going to find the logo of my choice, which is going to be my team's logo. Let me just get that up here. So as you can see, that's here. Just going to drag it out and drop it into Blender. Then I'm just going to move it so that I can see it properly, and I am also going to resize it. So once you have your logo, what you're then going to want to do is you're going to want to go to this add button here, press this, go to mesh, and then choose plane. So what this will do is it'll add a square. What you then want to do is press tab to go into edit mode, and then hold shift and click one of the corners to deselect it, press delete and press vertices. Now you've got one corner. What you then want to do is select it, go to move, and drag it to the first starting corner of your logo. Then what you want to do is you want to press E, which extends it, place it, and then keep pressing E and trace the outside edge of the logo. Now this is very simple and very easy to do, so although it might take a while to get the logo perfect if you're a bit of a perfectionist and like your work to be as clean and good as possible, I'm not going to worry too much about that, considering this is just a tutorial on how to do it, but you guys watching this may want to make it look as good as possible. So almost there. Once you get back to the first vertex that you made, you want to make sure that the last one you made is selected, and then press shift and click on the next one, and then you want to press F. What that will do is that will make an edge between those two vertices. Now I'm just going to touch them up a bit, just make sure they're all in the right place, because there's nothing worse than an out of place edge or vertice, which would make it look horrible. So I'm just going to move this one down a bit, and there we go. So I've now added an outer edge to my logo. What I'm then going to do is go into object mode by pressing tab. I'm going to select the logo itself, and I'm going to delete it. Then, as you can see, I have an outline of my logo. I'm going to click on that, press tab to go into edit mode, select all of it and press F. What that is going to do is it's going to add a face onto the 2D logo. What you then want to do is you can now move around. You want to go over to this wrench icon here, go to add modifier, and then go down to solidify. So what that will do is that will make it a semi 3D object. As you can see, it's very thin, but it is there. And then to make it even more 3D, you just go to thickness and just scale it up. And there you have it. You have your very own 3D logo. You can use this on whatever you want, and if you're using it now, I would very well recommend saving it as a blend model, so just the .blend file that you can come back to in the future. So I hope this helped you guys. Very easy, very simple tutorial that I get asked quite a lot on how to do. So I hope this helped. If you need any more tutorials, then please leave a comment in the comment section below. Also debate leaving a like and subscribing. It would really help me, and it would also help you, because you'd be able to find me easier to then view more tutorials. So that being said, thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.